The cryptocurrency market just took a big hit. Bitcoin dropping as low as 58,900. What's going on? Should you be panic selling? Or is this all just a game that you haven't got a ticket for? We're going to break down exactly what's going on, the emotions attached to it, and ultimately what's coming next. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get into it. So here we are on the 15-minute chart for Bitcoin, down 5.5%. Look at this absolute push down. We've just seen a massive 7% dump on the price of BTC, holding around 62,000 just as early as 9:30 tonight. And then a massive liquidation event. Actually, we are seeing huge moves. And in my opinion, it's very deliberate. There is a reason behind this, and I'm going to show you why. Now, interestingly enough, we've been watching RSI divergence. We got a big red move down. I talked about this on the live stream. I said, expect the price to push down further. I didn't expect it to go this far, but we absolutely called it on that. So keep tuned into the channel to see how that all plays out. But lots of people talking about whale hunting. And what is this? This is people going after huge amounts of trades, the bears, the bulls, all of that. It's a game some of us don't simply have a ticket to. But very interesting here from Santa saying, getting hunted. Some stop losses are not getting filled because the price instantly teleports down. 66 million position left, still 25% of HLOL. And ultimately, whatever you do, don't look at the liquidation price for the sake of our industry. So what they're saying here is there is some big money out there. Lots of people going long on the market. Some huge positions being taken up. We talked about options, the CME gap in yesterday's update video, but lots of options out there and people are going after it. Whale groups, exchanges, ETFs, and you may call me crazy. You may say, Tube, what are you talking about? Exchanges don't go after people. Of course they do. Exchanges want you liquidated. Ultimately, they get to keep your cryptocurrency. And again, I'm not here to speculate. I'm here to kind of bring you some element of truth attached to it. If we take a look at some of these liquidations, these are all liquidations over $1 million since about 10 o'clock. And some of these are terrifying. 12.6 million here liquidated on Binance. Again, 12.67 on Ethereum paired with BTC liquidated again on Binance. Lots of huge liquidations right now over on Binance, and these are set to continue. In fact, 281 million in the last 24 hours has been liquidated. And again, this is where it gets pretty interesting. You only have to take a look at the Binance hot wallet to understand exactly what's going on, and again, more importantly, see what's happening. Look at some of these outflows from the Binance wallets. You know, 1.3 million, 1.6 million, 10 million, 5 million, and they are going to either wallets, they're going to other exchanges. It's all just a big game of cat and mouse, like I said, that we simply don't have a ticket to. Now, that doesn't mean that we are going down to zero. That doesn't mean that all of a sudden the complete arse is going to fall out of the market. Yes, it's a shakeout. We have these in every single bull market. We've talked about this a number of times, the emotions that sit with it. You have to just understand what the game is, why you got into the game, and more importantly, what your strategy is. If you take a look at the price, you would say, well, yeah, 5.5% down is a fairly aggressive dip right now, but it's still trading well within the patterns that we talk about, still trading well within this range that we've been discussing, again, on the 200 exponential moving average here, and equally within this range that we have. So if we dropped as 54, 53K, I might start to get concerned. The reality is this correction is nothing to worry about. You don't have to go back to the early part of July, and we got a similar correction here. Go back again to May, a similar correction. It's all part of the journey. Here's the thing. If in doubt, like they always say, zoom out, see where we're going. Look, we're in a descending wedge pattern. That's not the end of the world. This is the big day we're looking for. 18th of September is when everything comes in. This could even be on the bigger scale manipulation of pushing the price down, allowing other entities to get involved. And you may once again say, Tube, you're talking rubbish. You only have to look at inflows on ETFs specifically today to understand who has been buying. Again, you look at iShares. We've talked about this on the live stream. 3,500 Bitcoin bought over the course of today. Even if you took an average price of 58K, it's still $203 million that iShares have decided they're going to buy up. You look at ARK 21, 1,000. So there is some huge opportunity out there, big buys. We'll see what the price does. Rebounding quite well, actually. If we take a look at the 12-hour, it is actually a nice little rebound, holding around 59.5K. We'll see where this plays out. We generally see some positive movement post something like this, but do look out for it. Like I said, it does look like there's an element of whale hunting. It does look like there is an absolute desire to liquidate lots of projects and equally lots of people given their positions. Whenever the market wants to let you have something, sometimes it always seems to come out and take it from you. And lots of people were going long. I actually still am bullish on this week. I actually still think we'll see a very interesting rally. Take a look at some of these movements here. I actually think we'll see a push towards the end of the week. Could we be back above 60k tomorrow? Could actually we come and retest some of these moving averages to the upside at 65, 67? Quite possibly. Look out for it. What's your view? Let me know in the comments down below. And more importantly, did you get liquidated or did you trade the opportunity? If you're watching my live stream, then, well, you may have just got a little bit of alpha. But let me know in the comments down below. What's your view? Are we bearish this week or are we bullish? And as ever, thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed this content, make sure you hit the like button. Do check out some of the links in the description. If you want to trade futures, you want to take the opportunity that's in front of you, MEXC and Prime XBT giving you some fantastic opportunities down there. And don't forget, join my Marbits Telegram. That is the project I'm launching. It's going to be epic. Until next time, see you soon. Bye-bye.